You are at BlackBerry Haven Homestead. Welcome, friends. Welcome back to a Christian woman's journey where we hope to bring you love and light and peace through Jesus Christ. This is just a little garden glimpse. Today we're harvesting blackberries and we're going to be making blackberry powder as an all-natural sweetener. We are overjoyed that you're here. Ready to get going. Okay, so first step up, we're going to be doing a vinegar water soak. Doing 1 part vinegar to 2 parts water. Get that all submerged. And we're going to leave this sit for a few minutes. So we're going to strain this and give it a really good rinse. Okay, so I'm just going to let those strain a little while. Let all the extra water kind of drip off since they're going into the dehydrator. And so what are my hopes with all these blackberries and with making this blackberry powder? I am really hoping for a sugar alternative, and not just a sweetener, but a really nice flavorant. I'm hoping that I can add this blackberry powder to all kinds of recipes. I'm really thinking about my evening green tea. That'll go really, really well with that. Okay, so these are looking pretty good. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna load up my trays. You guys have seen my dehydrator before. It's actually an air fryer, but it doubles as a dehydrator for us. And I'm gonna load up my trays and I'm gonna put it at 135 and we're gonna check it in 18 hours. So my trays here are a little bit curved. You really just want to make sure that they're not touching each other. That might be a little bit of a challenge because, like I say, my trays are curved. Just out of curiosity, let's check these at the 4-hour mark. Yes, okay, I did read this. They would get lighter, start looking more maybe like raspberry, so they're still really soft. A long way to go. Hey guys, so good morning. It is the next day and the blackberries have been dehydrating 18 hours. I'm really eager to take a look. Let's get in here. I gotta say, they're still pretty soft. Okay, gotta put it back in. These can take, the instructions said that they can take up to 30 hours. I think it's probably gonna take the full time. I just might have the juiciest blackberries in town. These are taking a while, guys. Okay, so after many, many hours, and I'm talking more than 40 hours, and cutting these guys up, this is what we've got. This is what we're gonna go with. Okay, so what we've got here, we've got these little pieces that are dry, they're brittle, and we are going to start making powder with the mortar and pestle. These are looking gorgeous. Let's go ahead. Okay, limited success there. Let's turn to the spice grinder. This is a gorgeous ruby color and it smells amazing. Let's get our tea going. Okay, so our powder's ready. While the green tea is steeping, I am getting my, can you see this? My peppermint, this homegrown peppermint. I picked this the other day because I knew I'd be making this tea. Let's get this in there too. These smell absolutely amazing. We're gonna go with, let's say, a half a teaspoon. We're gonna let this steep about 5 minutes, let it work its magic. Okay, so out here chilling in the garden, Yes, the berry bushes are taking over my office area this year. I gotta try this tea. Here we go. That is mostly pepperminty. Okay, I get little hints of the blackberry and little bits of sweetness. How absolutely wonderful. Okay, I'm going to enjoy my tea, head back inside, store away the rest of the blackberry powder. I'm going to try it in all kinds of things. Why not, right? I hope you give this a go, guys. It was a lot of fun, learning experience, something new. Love and light. To God be the glory. I'll see you again really soon. Bye now.